So you bought some crypto, maybe Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum. It's just sitting in your wallet, waiting for the price to go up. That's the classic hodl strategy. Hold on for dear life. But what if your crypto could earn you more crypto even while you sleep? Welcome to passive income in cryptocurrency. Instead of letting your assets sit idle, you can put them to work and earn rewards 24/7. In the traditional world, your savings account earns a tiny bit of interest. In crypto, the potential rewards can be much higher. Today, we're talking about two ways to earn: staking and yield farming. Both let you earn passive income, but they're very different. One is like a safe government bond. The other is more like high-stakes investing. Understanding these is key to moving from just holding crypto to truly participating in the DeFi revolution. DeFi, decentralized finance, aims to rebuild finance without banks, using code and smart contracts. As a crypto holder, you can help make it all work and get rewarded for it. It's like being an early investor in the next big thing. So, let's break it down. We'll dive into staking and yield farming using simple examples. We'll cover the good, the bad, and the risks. By the end, you'll know how to make your crypto work for you.
Let's start with staking, the simpler option. Blockchains like Ethereum or Cardano need validators to keep the network secure. Validators stake or lock up their crypto as a security deposit to prove they'll play by the rules. Most people join staking pools, combining their crypto with others. The pool operator runs the technical side. You just delegate your coins. In return, you earn rewards, paid in more of the same cryptocurrency. For example, if you stake Cardano ADA in a pool, your ADA never leaves your wallet, but you help validate transactions and earn more ADA. The pool takes a small fee, and the rest is distributed to everyone who staked. Staking is simple, secure, and directly supports the blockchain. Rewards are usually predictable, quoted as an annual percentage yield or APY. For instance, a 5% APY means 100 coins become 105 after a year. It's a straightforward way to grow your holdings in a project you believe in, and you're helping keep the network decentralized and secure.
Now let's talk about yield farming, the high-risk, high-reward side of DeFi. Yield farming means providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. These platforms need pools of crypto so people can trade without a middleman. You deposit equal values of two coins, like Ethereum and USDC, into a pool. In return, you earn a share of trading fees every time someone swaps those coins. Plus, you get special LP, liquidity provider tokens as proof of your share. Here's where it gets wild. You can stake those LP tokens in other protocols to earn even more rewards. Yield farming is about moving assets around, stacking rewards, and chasing the highest returns. Some strategies involve multiple platforms and steps. The goal? Maximize your return. APYs can reach hundreds or even thousands of %, but so can the risks. Yield farming is complex, fast-moving, and not for the faint of heart. It's the frontier of DeFi. Let's talk risks and rewards. Staking offers lower, more stable returns, typically 3% to 20% APY. The main risk is the price of the coin itself. If the value drops, your rewards might not cover the loss. Some networks require you to lock up your coins, making them temporarily unsellable. There's also a small risk if your staking pool misbehaves or goes offline. Still, staking is generally safe and beginner-friendly. Yield farming, on the other hand, can offer massive returns, sometimes over 1000% APY. But the risks are much higher. The biggest is impermanent loss. If the prices of your pooled coins change a lot, you could end up with less than if you just held them. There's also smart contract risk. Bugs or hacks can drain funds. Reward tokens can crash in value overnight. Yield farming requires constant attention and a deep understanding of DeFi. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. High rewards come with high risk. Know what you're getting into.
So, which is better for beginners? Staking. It's simple, safer, and easy to start. Just pick a coin, find a pool, and delegate. The process is often built into major wallets and exchanges. You don't need to worry about complex strategies or sudden losses. Staking teaches you the basics of earning passive income and supporting a blockchain. Yield farming is for advanced users who understand the risks and can actively manage their investments. My advice: start with staking. Learn the ropes, watch your rewards grow, and only try yield farming with money you can afford to lose. Crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. Build your knowledge first. Always do your own research.